Hey everybody, so I've been here for about an hour, just getting some editing stuff done, watching some vlogs, but I'm going to go catch the train and go link up with Fiona now. Had a great stay here in Carrick-on-Shannon, but it's time to head over to Sligo. Welcome to Sligo. Alright, now we just gotta figure out how to get to the city center. And here's the map. Alright everybody, I'm trying to figure out the name of this river, which I will find and put it at the bottom of the comments. But I am in Sligo, pronounced Sligo, not Sligo, Sligo. And just had some lunch, and now I am walking to the Riverside Hotel, where I'm going to be checking in and linking up with Fiona and carry on the trip from there. So just wanted to give you a river shot of this really cool fast moving river. But the train ride here was really good. Fairly quick, took about an hour, cost about €7. So, and I came from Carrick-on-Shannon, so also a great, cute town. This town seems about 3 or 4 times bigger than that town. I'm hoping that I'll have a chance to take you along and explore a little bit, but first impressions of Sligo are really good. So can't wait to show you some more and take you along the way. Hey everybody, I'm not going to give you a brand new room tour because Fiona has been in this room for the last 2 days, so don't want to make it look bad or anything, but it is a super cute room. We're here at the Riverside Hotel. One of the best parts of the room, I just want to show you real quick, is the view. We're almost over the river, and it is quite stunning. It's a stunner of a view up there. So from here, I think we're going to go and meet up with some folks, some family, and maybe visit one of the family pubs that are over here, or a family member that owns a pub, I guess is the best way to say it. But stay tuned for more from Sligo, Ireland. We are at the Sligo Abbey. Sligo, Ireland. We are out for a morning walk. It's probably a little windy. My apologies for the wind. But as you can see behind me, I'm with Fiona and this lovely church and this wonderful river just flowing by. But today I've taken a little walk and just touring around Sligo and seeing what there is to see in this city. So can't wait to take you along. Hope you enjoy the ride. decided to stop to get a coffee and a croissant from this cool little coffee shop.